Ranbir Kapoor's Ramayana in legal trouble. Here's why. Ranbir Kapoor की much-awaited Ramayana has landed in a legal trouble. मधु मंतेना ने एक पब्लिक नोटिस जारी किया है जहां उन्होंने प्राइम फोकस पर डाला है कॉपीराइट इन्फ्रिंजमेंट का इल्जाम। जहां एक जगह जूम ने आपके लिए रणबीर कपूर और साई पल्लवी के एक्सक्लूसिव पिक्चर्स शेयर किए थे, which went viral on the internet, वहीं दूसरी ओर खबर ये आ रही है कि मधु मंतेना और अल्लू अरविंद के बैक आउट करने से आ सकती है रामायणा मेकर्स के लिए बड़ी मुसीबत। कॉपीराइट इन्फ्रिंजमेंट का इल्जाम लगाते हुए मधु मंतेना ने अपने पब्लिक नोटिस में बताया, The members of the public are hereby informed and put to notice that Prime Focus Technologies Limited had, pursuant to an assignment agreement entered into with our client Allu Mantena Media Ventures LLP in April 2024, sought to acquire the intellectual property rights of our client in the project Ramayana, being the script and material Ramayana based on the epic, for an agreed consideration amount as per the terms of the assignment agreement. However, the assignment under this assignment agreement has not taken effect till date, as the payment required to be made by Prime Focus Technologies Limited for the assignment to take effect has not been made it to our client. Accordingly, the rights in Project Ramayana continue to vest in our client, and Prime Focus Technologies Limited has no right, title or interest in it. The use, exploitation of the script or material or any rights of our client in Project Ramayana by Prime Focus Technologies Limited in its upcoming film Ramayana, being directed by Nitesh Tiwari, or by any person claiming through or under Prime Focus Technologies Limited, or by any person claiming through or under Prime Focus Technologies Limited, or by any other person enabling the same, constitutes an infringement of our client's copyright, for protection whereof our client shall take the necessary steps as may be advised. क्या इस नोटिस के चलते रणबीर कपूर की रामायणा की शूट पर आएगी बांधी? Will Nitesh Tiwari have to put his movie on hold until the legal concerns are resolved? आपका क्या ख्याल है इस मुद्दे पर? Do let us know in our comments section.